Let us now look into part B of the question. Well, in this part B, we are supposed to write the method collect comments of review analysis class. This method should collect and format the comments only if the comment contains the exclamation sign, exclamation point. Okay. So what this method should return, it should return an array list of string objects containing copies of all the user comments from all reviews that contains an exclamation point formatted as follows. So we have to select those comments which have exclamation sign in them. And we have to do a little bit of formatting. So this formatting has certain rules that we will look further. So what are the rules? The string inserted into an array list to be returned begin with index of the review in the all reviews. So let's say if the index of the all review is 5, then it should return 5, okay, in the beginning of the comment or the formatted text. So after that, after the index, it should be followed by a hyphen, and for after that we have to append the original comment after the hyphen. Now we have to check now if this original comment is either ending with a period or an exclamation point. That is completely fine. We will copy it, append it as it is. But just in case if it is neither ending with an exclamation nor with a period, we will have to deliberately insert a period at the end of the formatted comment. Okay, so let's try to take a small example to understand the situation. Now see, this comment, so this is the all review array. In this, here are the indexing, here is the rating, and at the bottom is the comment. So now see, we have to pick only the comments that has exclamation sign in it. So here, good thanks is the one that has the exclamation sign. In this case, what we will have to do is, we will pick up the index of it, which is 0, okay, append a hyphen, and then we will have to append the original comment, good thanks, good, exclamation, thanks, THX, and we have to check whether this comment is ending with a exclamation or with a period. If no, then we have to deliberately add this period at the end. Now let's go to the next index. So comment at index 1 is not having an exclamation sign in it. So we will skip this. Let's go to the next index 2. Yes, this has the exclamation sign. So what we will do, we will have to do, next element will be 2 hyphen great. Okay, and then it is ending with exclamation, so we need not to put a period at the end. All right, so now next, poor bad, this also have this exclamation sign. So what we will do is, we will do 3 hyphen poor bad, and once again we will have to insert this period at the end. Okay, so we have to keep on adding the comments which has the exclamation sign in them, and check whether they contain a exclamation or a period at the end of the comment or no. If they don't, then we have to add this period at the end. All right. So let's generalize the format. Index hyphen, then comment, and if it is not having this exclamation or a period, we will have to insert a period at the end. All right. So finally, we have a good understanding of the question. Now let us try to solve it. Okay. So here I have this collect comments method, which returns a list of array list. Okay. Now, this selected comments is a variable which is returned by the function. And this selected comments contains all the formatted comments. Okay. So now we have a for loop which runs over the variable I. So this for loop is iterated over the variable I, whose value starts from 0 and goes on till all reviews dot length minus 1. Why length minus 1? Because this is less than. Okay. So now this for loop, what it do? It picks up the reviews one by one from the all reviews array and then analyze it and format it if required. All right. So review is a variable or an object, object of class review. So in this review, we will fetch the reviews one by one and try to format and check the conditions which are mentioned in the question. Now, here we have a comment of type string. So this is a variable which is having a comment. So we are fetching the comment of the review, okay, by using this get comment method. Now, look at this if condition. If comment dot contains a exclamation. Now, if this comment contains a exclamation, so this is the first condition mentioned in the question, that the comment should contain a exclamation. To it has to be added in the returned array. Okay, so we will check if the comment contains the exclamation, then we have to move further. Okay, so what we have to do, we have taken a formatted comment variable of type string. Now, in this formatted comment, we will first insert the index. Okay, then we will append a hyphen, and finally we will append a comment. Now, if this comment is not, okay, make sure that you put this not condition. If this comment is not ending with a period and, so and means both the conditions should be true. Okay, so, and the comment is not ending with the exclamation, then what we have to do, we have to append the period at the end of formatted comment. And finally, we will add this formatted comment in the array selected comments. So after this for loop, what we will have in our hand is, we will have all those comments which have exclamation in them. And along with this, all the comments in the selected comments array should be formatted in a way like they have indexing in the beginning, then a hyphen, and then the comment. If the comment is having a exclamation as told. So basically, it's like we have a period at the end of each of the comments mentioned in the so which is present in the array selected comments. Okay. So that was all about question number 3. I hope you got it in a better way, in a very understandable manner. All right.